So this is our near top of the line LG refrigerator. It's 18 months old, just out of warranty. Yeah, it's kind of loud, right? Well, the thing is, when it was 1 month out of warranty, we had to do the first repair. When it was 4 months out of warranty, we had to do the second repair. So the refrigerator has now costed us 50% more than the original purchase price. The refrigerator repair person says we should just throw it away and get a different brand. The ice maker doesn't work currently, but we don't want to pay to fix it because we don't know that the refrigerator will still work in a couple months. And this is what it sounds like.